it's been a life-changing experience for me, and I really encourage you to come in. You will not be disappointed. The reason why I came to the Great Workshop was to develop a growth mindset. I wanted to find out strategies of how to deal with life challenges. So this workshop was like a tryout for me. My goodness, it was wonderful. I met with a lot of people, people with different challenges, different stories, make you realize that you're not alone. The experience prepared me and taught me how to deal with my low self-esteem, my confidence. I was able to kind of put my worries aside and live in the moment. I'm able to be so open-minded. Before I was really close-minded. When I see someone, I could just easily judge them by, probably their appearance or how they speak or whatever. But this program has made me so open-minded, and I used to be very skeptical. I used to doubt myself, and now I'm so confident. So I'm encouraging all the new students and the old students to please attend this workshop, because it is wonderful. It is great.